Okay, good morning to all of you. I welcomes to all in our lecture series on mathematical physics belongs to core 5 and the topic is power series method for solving the differential equations. And there's a so-called Frobenius method and this is our lecture number 35. Lecture number 35. In our last lecture we have been started to discuss about Legendre differential equation. The Legendre differential equation is in the format of this one, and I told that this is the integers initially given in the equation. Okay, and we have been considered the power series Frobenius power series method. Frobenius extended power series method to solve this differential equation, and we found the initial equation is this one, and from this initial equation we found two roots k equal to 0, k equal to 1, and the recursion relation has been obtained by considering 0 to coefficient of highest power of the equation number 5, and we found the recursion relation is this one. Now we are going to consider for k equal to 1 what will the recursion relation and corresponding solution. Okay, so s plus 2 for k is equal to 0, what it will be? See, for k equal to 0 it will be as into k0, as into k0 s plus 1 minus n into n plus 1 divided by k0, that means s plus 2 into s plus 1, s plus 2 into s plus 1. So this will be nothing but your so called recursion relation for k is equal to 0. So this s into s plus 1 minus n into n plus 1 can be written in the form of as into s minus n into s plus n plus 1. You can see that the so called s minus 1 into s minus n into s plus n plus 1. So this is the things whatever I written. You just multiply these two terms, we can found a square plus sn plus s, a square plus sn plus s minus ns minus n square minus n. So here ns sn plus minus got cancel, and here if we are going to consider these two terms, taken s has been common, so s plus 1, and from these two terms n square and minus n square minus n, you can take common minus n, it will be n plus 1. So we found the same, s into s plus 1 minus n into n plus 1. So this is the just we have been written arrangedly for our requirement to finding the a2 a4 like that. Okay, so in this case, since a1 is arbitrary, for k is equal to 0, we found a1 is any arbitrary, any value we can consider. So let, as a1 can be chosen as arbitrary value, let we have been chosen or we set the a1 equal to 0. If a1 we are going to be set equal to 0, then a3, a5, a7 all odd coefficients will be 0. Okay, now we are going to find out only the coefficients belongs to s is even. Okay, so for s equal to 2, we are not now s equal to first s equal to 0, we are going to consider s equal to 0. So s equal to 0, if we are going to be put over here, then we are going to be found a2. So for, you just write for s equal to 2, this will be a2. a0 plus 2, that means a2. a2 equal to a0 into s equal to 0 means minus n plus 1, minus n plus 1 whole divided by 2 into 1, 2 into 1, that will be equal to a0 into minus n into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 will be 2 factorial. We found that a2. Now s is equal to 2, if we are going to consider, then it will be, we can found a4. See, a2 plus 2 will be how much? a4 will be equal to a2. Here you have to put 2, a2, this is equal to 2, sorry, here you have to put 2 minus n, 2 plus n plus 1, 2 minus n, 2 plus n plus 1 means 3 plus n, 3 plus n whole divided by 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So 4 into 3. Now we can take minus from this 2 and minus n, it will be n minus 2, and this is n plus 3 can be written, so it will be minus a2 n minus 2 into n plus 3 divided by 3 into 4. Already we got a2 value is how much? This much. a0 minus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial. You just put this value over here. So already here is the minus and here is the minus. Minus minus got cancelled, it will be plus. So it will be, first you put the value. This value I just substituted from here to here, and then it will be how much? a0 minus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial. Here minus there, minus this much terms I have been written. Okay, now this is the minus and minus plus. So a0, you can see n into n plus 1, n first n minus term we have to be write first, then n plus terms. So n into n minus 2 into n plus 1 into n plus 3 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, or the so called 4 factorial. So called 4 factorial. So you can write also n into n minus 2 n plus 1. This a0 I written over here. Okay, so 4 factorial. This we found as a4. Similarly, if we are going to consider s is equal to 4, s is equal to 4, then it will be 4 plus 2 equal to how much? 6. So a6 will be equal to, see, a4, 4 we are going to consider 4 minus n, here 4 plus 1, 5, n plus 5, 4 minus n into n plus 5 whole divided by 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 into 5. Okay, now we have to just put a4 value what we got in the last page, this one. This is belongs to your a4 value. I have been just substituted over here. Okay, so now here you can see 4 minus n, it can be written as minus n minus 4. So the whole numerator will be minus n minus 2, here n minus 4, by taking minus common it will be n minus 4, minus will become to the initial, so it will be n minus 4, and then n plus 1, n plus 3, n plus 5 divided by 4 factorial is there, 6 into 5, that means 6 factorial, a0. Okay, so therefore in general you can write what you can write in general you can write, see here, for a6 you found 6 factorial. A4 you got 4 factorial. So in general you can write A2R means 100% the denominator term will be 2 factorial, and each term you can found A0 you can write. So here you can see that whenever you are considering 4 you found minus, you considered 2 you found this is plus. Okay, so that means in this way we found this is our first term, this is our second term, and this is our third term. Okay, for that if we are going to consider A2R, we can write minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1 to the power r. In general we can write n into n minus 2 into n minus 4 up to n minus 2r plus 2 into n plus 1 n plus 3 up to n plus 2r minus 1 into A0 by 2r factorial. We have to just cross check one of our value from this general expression. Here r is taken as 1, 2, 3 like that. So first we are going to consider the third term we are going to be verify. Okay, so consider r equal to 3. So it will be a 2 into 3 is 6, a6 will be this much is coming or not, you just cross check it. So r is 3, so minus 1 to the power 3 minus is there. So n minus 2, n minus 4 up to n minus 2r plus 2. R is considered as 1. So r is considered as 3. So it will be 3 into 2, 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4. So the value will be up to minus 4. So it is n into n minus 2 into n minus 4. Okay, n plus 1, n plus 3 up to it is move to n plus 2r minus 1. We have to consider r equal to 3. So n plus 3 into 2, 6 minus 1, 5. That means we have to consider n plus 1 into n plus 3 into n plus 5 into n plus 5 divided by 2r factorial means 6 factorial and into A0. So hence it is this general expression is validated. Now we are going to consider the general solution. Okay, so for k equal to 0, the equation number 2 will be how much? Because the general solution we have been considered as this is our general solution by considering the so-called extended Frobenius method. So here for k is equal to 0, this will be written as an x to the power n. As we are considered a1, a3, a5, these all terms are to be 0. So here this and n is only even. So here the solution is written as y subscript of even. Okay, is equal to summation over n is equal to 0 to infinity a n x to the power n. Just expanding form you can write this one a0, a2 x square, a4 only even we are going to consider a4 x to the power 4, x6 x to the power 6, and you just take a0 common. So a0 is divided in each term, and we have to just put the a2 value, a4 value, a6 value here, whatever we found, a2 value, a4 value and a6 value over here, and also AR value. AR value is this much. In the middle we can put, and last we found, carefully you have to write, pause the video and you have to write the note. Pause the video, carefully write the note. Here I just substituted a2 value, this one divided by a0, this one divided by a0. Okay, so in the next step a0 will be got cancel, a0 will be got cancel, a0 will be got cancel, and here this is your general expression in the middle I have been written, then plus so on or you can say that other terms is going to be considered. Here I written dot. So by cancelling a0 from each term, this is the another line. Okay, carefully you have to write. Pause the video over here and you have to write down the note. And this expression again I have been written in this page, in the next page also, this one. So finally we got y even is equal to this one. Let it is equation number 10. Similarly, put the heading for k equal to 1 and for finding the recursion relation and corresponding solution. For k is equal to 1, as plus 2 will be this one, this much. You just consider equation number 8 and put the value of k is equal to 1. This is your equation number 8, and if you have to put 1, this will be s into s plus 1 minus n into n plus 1. As into s plus 1 into s plus 2. See, s plus 1 into k is 1 means s plus 2. Okay, minus n into n plus 1, minus n into n plus 1 divided by, it will, if you have to put 1, it will be s plus 3 into s plus 2. So this will be s plus 3 into s plus 2. This is s, written as s. Okay, s plus 3, s plus 2. For this case, when k is equal to 1, a1 is 0, already we found. Here you can found. For k equal to 1, a1 is 0. If a1 equal to 0, then all the odd coefficients, that is your a3, a5, a7 and so on, will be equal to 0. Now we have to consider only s equal to even. So s equal to even means first we are going to consider s equal to 0. That means we can found this s equal to 0 means a2. a2 will be equal to a0 into, put the 0 over here, and here it will be 1 into 2. 1 into 2 minus, this will be n square plus minus n square minus n divided by 0, that means 3, 0 means 2. So 3 into 2. So you can found a0 into 2 minus n square minus n. So this will be also minus n. So this will be minus n minus 1 into n plus 2. This can be found easily. See, here we have, it is 2 minus n square minus n, right? 2 minus n square minus n. So take common minus outside, so it will be n square plus n minus 2, right? So this will be n square plus 2n minus n minus 2. So here take common n plus 2 minus 1 you can take common, so n plus 2, then we can get minus of n plus 2 into n minus 1. So this can be written as minus of n minus 1 into n plus 2. N minus 1 into n plus 2 into a0 divided by 3 factorial. Similarly, if we are going to consider s is equal to 4, s is equal to 2, then it will be 2 plus 2 equal to a4, and this will be a2 into 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 4 into 3 will be 12, 12 minus n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3 5, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 5 into 4. Okay, so this can be the numerator, it can be written as a2 into 12 minus n square minus n. So this also it can be found as this much value. Okay, it is easy, you can also do by yourself. See, it is written as 12 minus n square minus n. So take common minus, it will be n square plus n minus 12. So it will be n square plus 4n minus 3n minus 12. So it is minus n common, take common n plus 4 minus 3 you can take common, so n plus 4. So it will be minus of n minus 3 into n plus 4. So hence this numerator can be written as in this factor, that is minus n minus 3 into n plus 4 divided by 5 into 4, and just put the a0 value from previous is a2 value, a2 value is this much, you just put over here and we can get n minus 1 into n minus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 4 into a0 by 5 factorial. Similarly, if we are going to be consider s is equal to 4, you can found this one 30 minus n square minus n, and you just go through each step carefully. You can found that at last we found that a6 will be equal to minus n minus 1 n minus 3 into n minus 5 into n plus 2 n plus 4 n plus 6 into a0 by 7 factorial. In general, this can be written as this one, that is minus 1 to the power r n minus 1 into n minus 3 so on into n minus 2r plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 4 and so on n plus 2r into a0 by 2r plus 1 factorial. For our confirmation, we just validate one, that whatever the general form we have been written, it is correct or not. So here r is nothing but 1 2 3, you consider 3, so 3 means it will be minus, so that means we are considering 3 means a6 value is this much, so it is this much is coming or not, you just validate. So you just put 3, means it will be minus 1 to the power 3, it will be minus came. Okay, so 3 means it will be 3 into 2 6 plus 1 minus 6 plus 1 will be 5. So this will be continue up to 5, that means n minus 1 into n minus 3 into n minus 5 up to n minus 5. Okay, it is so or not, you just check n minus 1 n minus 3 n minus 5. Okay, correct. Now you put r equal to 3, so it will be n plus 6. So this plus term will be continue up to 6, n plus 2 again n plus 4 again into n plus 6. Okay, then a0 divided by 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7 factorial. So hence this one is validated. Now we have to put k equal to 1 in the general solution, that is in your equation number 2. What we are going to get, see, this is your general solution, whatever we have been taken as equation number 2, that is n is equal to 0 to infinity an x to the power n plus 1, right? Here n is taken as even only, the power of x will be odd as it is n plus 1, so whatever the even value we are going to consider, this will be odd. So hence we can write y odd equal to, just expand it will be a0x plus a2 2 plus 1 3 a4 x to the power 4 plus 1 5 and so on. Take common a0, it will be x plus a2 by a0 and divided in each term a0. Okay, so you just put a2 value, a4 value, a6 value here. So a0 will be got cancel and rest of the term it will be here. And here I not generalized the equation, I not written here, here I written. Okay, you just pause the video and you write this one. Just pause the video. So here a0 x minus this term and this generalized term and so on. And we found this is the odd one and this is for even one. So generalized solution of this Legendre equation will be how much? In general, solution of the Legendre equation will be a into y even into x plus b y odd into x. So next class we are going to discuss about Legendre polynomial. Up to this much we have to stop over here. You just go through this video carefully, watch the video, write the note by pausing the video, and if in doubt you can ask with me, discuss with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.